Let's review the difference between concrete and abstract nouns. As we have already studied that concrete nouns are words for things that you can experience directly through your five senses, and abstract nouns are words for things that you cannot experience directly through your five senses. Now you must have understood the difference between concrete and abstract nouns, and you must be ready to do some practice work. If you will open up your book to page 119, you will see this exercise. It says, say whether each word in bold print is a concrete or an abstract noun. In each sentence, you can see some words are in bold print and you have to identify whether that word is a concrete noun or an abstract noun. I'm sure it is very easy for you to solve out this exercise after understanding the difference between concrete and abstract nouns. Take your time and solve the exercise and let's see how well you have understood. I'm sure you must have worked out the exercise and now it's time to check your answers. In the first sentence, there are three words in bold print. He, concrete noun. Joy, abstract noun. Family, concrete noun. In the second sentence, there is one word in bold print. Failure, it is an abstract noun. In the third sentence, there are two words highlighted. Leader, concrete noun. Support, abstract noun. In the fourth sentence, there are two words highlighted. Care, abstract noun. Pet, concrete noun. In the fifth sentence, there are two words highlighted. Effort, abstract noun. Studies, concrete noun. In the sixth sentence, there are two words highlighted. Minutes, abstract noun. File, concrete noun. In the seventh sentence, there are two words highlighted. Honesty, abstract noun. Diligence, abstract noun. In the eighth sentence, there are two words highlighted. Goal, abstract noun. Fame, abstract noun. In the ninth sentence, there are two words highlighted. Expenditure, abstract noun. Food, concrete noun. In the last sentence, there are two words highlighted. Wealth, abstract noun. Advantage, abstract noun. There are altogether 20 words that are in bold prints. Check your answers and see how many points you have scored.